Ever get that feeling you're kind of like shoehorning your business into software, like trying to force a square peg in a round hole?
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Well, get ready for a future where your business software is totally unique to you, like a fingerprint, constantly adapting and evolving right alongside you. And that's what we're diving into today, AI-driven customization. We've got excerpts from Kula Digital's September 2024 white paper. Pretty interesting stuff.
Really changes how we think about business software. Instead of you changing to fit your CRM or your accounting software, AI lets the software mold itself to what you need.
Like a tailor-made suit instead of something off the rack.
Exactly. Kula Digital actually makes this comparison in the paper. They say it's as big as when PCs and spreadsheets came along.
Wow. Okay, so a total game changer. But this time, it's not just about like crunching numbers, right? We're talking about AI building entire platforms custom made for you.
That's right.
So no more wrestling with clunky interfaces or trying to force a feature to do something it wasn't designed to do. I got to hear more about this.
Imagine this. AI digs into how your business works. It analyzes your data, figures out your workflows, even finds those little bottlenecks that slow you down.
Okay, yeah.
Then it takes all that and builds a system. And it's not just streamlining what you already do, it's also looking ahead to eliminate issues before they become problems.
So it's like having a digital assistant that's an expert on your business and constantly learning new tricks. Now that's working smarter, not harder for sure.
That's the idea.
Okay, but how does AI actually build these custom systems? What's the magic ingredient?
That's where distributed ledger technology comes in, DLT. And a really interesting part of that is this concept of programmable money.
Programmable money. Okay, gotta admit, that sounds a little, futuristic, maybe, like something out of a sci-fi movie. What exactly is programmable money?
Think of it like this. It's money, but with rules built in. You can program it to, say, make a payment automatically when a job's done.
So like a vending machine, but for, like, anything.
Exactly. No more invoices, no chasing down payments, no middleman taking a cut. Just instant, direct value exchange. The white paper actually uses the example of finishing a job and getting paid right then and there automatically.
Wow, that'd be amazing. Especially for freelancers or anyone who's ever had to chase down an invoice. I've been there. But how does it actually work? Where does blockchain fit into all of this?
That's the key. Blockchain makes all this possible. Think of it as the system that makes sure everything happens automatically and securely.
Okay, so it's like a self-executing contract.
Yeah.
And because it's on the blockchain, everyone's got a copy, totally transparent.
You got it. That transparency and automation, that's what makes it so revolutionary. And to really see how this could play out, Kula Digital walks us through an example in the white paper, a logistics company called Global Express.
Oh, logistics. Now that's an industry that could use some serious streamlining. What do they do?
So Global Express, they wanted to completely revamp things, make everything smoother, more transparent. They teamed up with some AI developers and basically gave them access to everything: delivery routes, fuel costs, driver schedules, customer data, the whole 9 yards.
Wow, they went all in. What happened next?
The AI got to work. It went through all of Global Express's data, figured out where the inefficiencies were, and then it designed a whole new platform from the ground up. And I'm not talking just tweaking some software. This was totally custom built by AI.
So what did this AI overhaul actually look like in action? Did it just give Global Express like a slightly better route planner, or are we talking bigger?
Oh, way bigger than a route planner. This is a complete system, remember? And yeah, it included that programmable money we were talking about.
No way, really?
That built right in. So now drivers finish a delivery and boom, payment hits their account instantly.
All thanks to those smart contracts, huh?
Exactly. No more waiting around for processing, no more chasing down late payments.
That's got to be huge for drivers, especially in logistics, right? Cash flow is everything.
For sure. And it's great for the company too. But there's more. Remember how we talked about transparency with blockchain?
Yeah.
They've got that now too. Global Express has this whole blockchain system for tracking packages. So now everyone's in the loop.
No more lost packages, no more frantic customers calling. That's a dream come true. Okay, this Global Express thing, it's like a sneak peek into the future of, well, everything. But what about right now? Is anyone actually using these AI systems and this programmable money? Or is it all still kind of, theoretical?
Oh, it's happening. Kula Digital, they're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. In fact, they've developed this platform, Kula Pay. It's specifically for the yoga industry, and it uses this same tech.
Hold on, yoga studios and programmable money. How does that work?
It's a really good example of how this can change even those like really established industries. Imagine you're a yoga teacher, you finish teaching your class.
Yeah.
Payment goes straight into your account right then. No waiting for the studio to pay you, no hassle.
Wow. So efficient. No more dealing with invoices and paychecks and all that.
Right. And the studios benefit too. Less admin work, lower fees, total transparency. Plus, Kula Pay uses the Hedera network that's known for
Yes.
security and all that. And they use stablecoins, so it's not subject to the, crypto volatility.
Secure, reliable, efficient. Sounds like Kula Pay really checks all the boxes. It's amazing to see how this stuff is already being used.
Totally. It's just the beginning, too. Kula Digital is going all in on AI, finding new ways to use programmable money everywhere. They're saying the next year is going to be huge for this tech.
It's really exciting. It feels like we're on the verge of a whole new way of doing business, you know? From huge companies like Global Express down to your local yoga studio, it's going to change everything.
And the best part is, AI isn't replacing us. It's helping us work smarter, giving us more time to focus on what matters.
Exactly. So here's something to think about as we wrap up our deep dive. What if AI could not only help you manage your business, but actually help you completely reimagine it? What could you achieve with a system that's like an extension of your own thinking, always adapting and evolving with you? That's all the time we have for today's deep dive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking the big questions, and most importantly, keep innovating.